Hi, welcome to my shop. This is Carrie, and this is the next video in my sequence showing how to cut the rabbet to the chine of a 1938 Chris Craft Sportsman. This is the bottom rabbet that I've cut so far using the router method. And you can see now that I've made my final passes that I've copied the original, and I should now be able to take off all of this fencing and attach it to the top sides so that I can cut out the rabbet for the topside planks, and it's virtually the same procedure. So next video I will cover that. Thank you.